Are your property listings struggling to attract buyers? You're not alone. Many realtors face this challenge, but here's the secret. A clean home sells faster. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, the veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio, dedicated to transforming homes into showstoppers. We specialize in quick turnarounds, ensuring that every corner sparkles before open houses or buyer visits. Imagine potential buyers walking into a pristine space where they can truly envision their future. Our professional team knows how to highlight a home's best features, improving property showings and closing deals faster than ever. Plus, here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This simple act brightens the space and makes it feel welcoming. It's a little step that can lead to big results. With TidyTex, you're not just hiring a cleaning service. You're investing in a powerful marketing tool that enhances your listings and boosts your reputation. Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Let's make your home shine and your sales soar. Your success is just a clean away.